All right, two guys in the trade. This is Mark and Andy again, and we're doing Trade Caddy Raw. Um, we are going to do a little something different this time around. We've got Trade Caddy is running its data, so we have a 20-minute wait before we can perform our trade. So what we thought we would do instead is we pulled up a actual real trade here with AVDL. This is a beautiful um, covered call, and I think this particular call is set to expire June 15th, and so we lowered our cost basis to what, 624, 623, something like that.
624. Yep.
624. Okay, yeah, and so that's a really nice cost basis. Let me pull up the stock chart real quick for AVDL. I don't think I've got it up right now, so please bear with me. Here we go. All right, so let's just take a quick look here at what AVDL is looking like. Um, so our cost basis is so low that it hasn't been touched in, oh, I don't know. Let's go, how far?
4 years.
4 years?
Yeah.
And let's go up, yeah, so if we went up to 4 years, you would see that the cost basis has never been that low. So we're really sitting pretty on this trade here. Bless you, Mark.
Thank you, sir.
So what we thought we would do, what do you think, Mark? What do you want to do? You want to roll this out even further?
Yeah, we're going to go ahead and roll this out in the same month but lower the strike price. So
Okay.
we're going to go ahead and create a rolling order.
Oh, yeah. So what you do, here we are in Thinkorswim. Again, we're not affiliated with Thinkorswim, and this is an educational purposes only video. And so we just want to go ahead and kind of show you what we're going to do. So we're going to go ahead and create a rolling order, and Thinkorswim is smart enough to tell us where to get started with that. So I'm going to go ahead and click on this. And here we go. Here's our options chain, Mark.
So down at the bottom, we've got a red thing all loaded up for us. And you notice that month is already expecting us to go out another month. We're going to go within the same month. So we're going to go ahead and 15 June. And what we're going to do is lower our strike price. Now, the reason why we go down to $5.
Yeah.
And when you see that, you see you only get $1.30. And I just want to point out that this trade has a low volume. Look, a volume of 188,979. That means the value of this, the market value, is not necessarily correct. So we're going to ask $2.30 for this. Just not enough volume, and we're going to be a market maker here. So we're going to ask $2.35, and anybody who wants to grab that thing tomorrow, which they certainly could possibly do that, because they have an earnings event up in June. You got extrinsic value built into this thing, but the trade, the option chain, is not reflecting that market value. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to be a market maker. We're going to say what the market value should be. So let's go ahead and confirm this trade.
That's right.
And so what we're going to do is, like Andy said, our cost basis is literally $6.24 into this trade. So we are taking an obligation to sell that at $5. We're asking for $2.35. So if you take $2.35 minus our cost basis of $6.24, you're going to lower our cost basis to $3.89.
So we take the stock chart again. We can see just how incredibly low that is, and that's how much we got in this trade. And so one of the things we like to endorse is the Wheel of Fortune, where we get down to the point where it's no fair investing, where we actually get that cost basis all the way down to zero. Is that right, Mark?
Yes, sir. So we're going to ask for that, and with a 389, ask yourself, what is the max profit we can make on this trade? We get an obligation to sell at 5, the cost basis at 389. That's easy. You just subtract $5 from 389. That's the max we can make. That's $1.11. So let's say hypothetically the stock went up to $10,000 a share. What's our max profit in this trade? $1.11 per share. We cannot. We're obligated to sell it at $5.
Right. So this is a great trade. We'll go ahead and take a look at this, see if it goes through, and get back with you guys tomorrow. So is there anything else you want to add, Mark?
Nope. Make sure to attend, subscribe live to get us these Trade Caddy Raw classes are for those who are members of Trade Caddy. So if you want like this, make sure to subscribe.
That's right, 100% free and 100% fun. So let's see you on the next call. Thanks for watching.